In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset DJI Action 3. It's work also on DJI Action 4. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. First of all, turn on your DJI Action camera and check your battery level. You need up to 50%, so it's better. Then swipe down from the top, and as you can see, here is the right top corner gear icon. Tap on gear icon and swipe up for format, like that. And as you can see, factory reset. And now tap on factory reset, and it asking again restore to factory settings. So tap on confirm, then tap on confirm, and it's restoring and restarting again. It takes few seconds or minute to resetting everything. So as you can see, it resetting everything, and it you can change language from here. I'm selecting English, then it's done formatting. So now everything is currently factory resetted. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.